Fáilte welcome to Irish by Design's SCT piano accordion collection. This collection is based on the SCT graded traditional Irish music series, designed to help you learn, enjoy and play Irish music with confidence. Enjoy the music. This is my interpretation of the tune called O'Donnell Aboo. It is recorded here in the key of G major and in 4/4 time. A rousing battle tune with a heroic, triumphant character. Emphasize bold articulation and clarity in each phase, letting the melody convey strength and energy, widely played between 80 and 100 beats per minute. If you'd like to follow the full SCT piano accordion collection, please subscribe to the channel and join me as we bring these beautiful Irish melodies to life, one tune at a time. Slán go fóill, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tune and we look forward to sharing more with you very soon. And remember, as always, Irish by design.